one of the biggest mistakes that business owners have when you commit to marketing your business online is you don't know what it is you stand for. And I'm here to tell you right now that, since I made just around 300 videos since, midway through 2019, I made a commitment to myself that I'm gonna stick with creating videos every single week on YouTube. And I followed through with that commitment. And looking back, one of the biggest mistakes I made was I wasn't clear on my mission, vision, and values in those videos. They were random. Yeah, I was consistent with creating content, right? But my mission, vision, and values, my brand pillars, weren't revisited in every video. So I'm making this video because a lot of times business owners look at clarifying their mission, vision, and values as like this woo-woo, spiritual, zoomed out thing that has no business impact. And I'm here to tell you, I just learned this from a $150 million company. The most important thing you could ever do is have your mission, vision, and values crystal clear, and revisited and revisited and revisited in every video that you put out online. Otherwise, it's random clatter, right? And the market isn't gonna know what you believe in, okay? So again, mission, vision, values, let's talk about it. Vision is the big macro impact that you intend to have on the world when the world is done with you, right? When you're done with the world, when your impact has been made, how will the world be different? So for example, Disney, they want to make the world a happier place, okay? That's their vision statement. Now, their mission is very different, okay? Their mission is how they make the world a happier place through amusement, entertainment, etc. So your mission statement is how you make this big grand impact, right? And then your values, so again, your vision, mission, and then your values are the operating behaviors that you make a commitment to operating with, okay? So you wanna make the world a happier place. You do that through amusement and entertainment, right? Well, your values are your operating behaviors through which you accomplish your mission, right? So these are your core values, which can be like 6 to 8 guiding principles that guide the decisions of your company. They should be operational, behavioral, decision-making principles that guide your company. And your core values end up becoming what are called your brand pillars, okay? Your brand pillars are the things, the concepts that you recurringly come back to. Now, your brand pillars can be a little bit more specific than a zoomed out core value, right? A brand pillar for us is that until you get into lead abundance, nothing else matters. A brand pillar for us is that strategy is more important than tactics. A brand pillar for us is that commit first, figure it out later, right? So these are the concepts that we come back to. And my biggest mistake after creating 300 YouTube videos over the last 12 months is I wasn't consistently clear on these things. So if you're looking to market your business in 2021 and explode, make sure you get clear on your vision, mission, values, and as a result, your brand pillars, and the marketplace will have tremendously higher clarity around what it is you stand for, which will allow you to explode your brand. Stay great.